So today I want to share a quick demo of something I've been building. It's a proof of concept of an AI-powered vulnerability management analyst that connects directly to Tenable, the Tenable API, and then it generates a full executive level report automatically. So this is the main Python code here, script. So this is what the script does, and give you a quick overview. So basically what the script does is connects to the Tenable API, it pulls the real vulnerabilities from the environment, the Tenable environment, and then it sends that data to the LLM to analyze risk. And then the LLM we're using is the OpenAI LLM. So it's going to recommend SLAs, assign owners, generate remediation guidance, and a few other things. So in order to run it, we'll just get this Python script here, and then it's going to do its thing. So as I run it, the agent fetches live data from Tenable, so it doesn't do any CSVs or any manual exports. It's all real-time API calls. So you see the printed logs. So I only have it for the top 10 vulnerabilities because just to keep the cost low on the agent. So it's going to triage 1 of 10, 2 of 10, and once that finishes. The way it's triaging, it's the AI reviews each vulnerability and produces structured outputs. So risk assessment, SLA recommendation, remediation steps, and then who should own it. So basically, it's like doing the work of a vulnerability analyst, vulnerability management analyst, and it's in the back end. And then we'll wait for it to. Now it's once it fetches all the real asset counts, so it's found 150 assets in the environment. It's going to start creating the report. It usually takes about 10 to 20 seconds or so, depending on how much data we're pulling. But again, we're only doing the top 10 just for, building costs. So we'll just give it a couple seconds. And then I'll show you what that report looks like. Should generate it here under the reports folder once that's ready. Okay, there we go. So now success, workflow complete. So the report is going to be here. So so this is basically the report. So it's a full executive report again that was generated by the LLM. So it gives you the executive summary, the environment overview. So it scanned a total of 150 assets, and within those assets it found 146 deduped vulnerabilities. But then the total instances were over 1,000 vulnerabilities. And then it gives you the key risk metrics, low, medium, high, criticals. And we continue down. So here are the top 10 that it pulled out. So it gives you the plugin ID, the name, if it's a CVE associated with it, the CVSS score, VPR score, and then also gives you the remediation steps. So how to fix them, how to remediate them. It gives you a few different options. Not just the one that Tenable does. Tenable sometimes just gives you one option, but here there are 2 or more. And then you can see here, scrolling down through the top 10. Okay, and then these are the recommended actions. So it gives you immediate recommendations, different kind of recommendations, review, as a review. And yeah, so again, this is just a proof of concept, still in early stages. So the goal of this project was just to automate repetitive vulnerability management tasks that the analysts will do. So teams can focus on remediating instead of data crunching and other aspects of it. But yeah, I'm thinking of actually adding more features to this. So it's just one of the first iterations of this AI agent. Let me know what you guys think, and then I'll keep you guys updated once I add more features to it. Thanks.